Dominoes. Level 2. The Bird of Happiness and Other Wise Tales by Tim Herdon. Read by Ben Elliott, James Good, Harriet Kershaw, Chris Milnes, Claire Morgan, and Mandy Weston. Published and copyright Oxford University Press, 2011. Chapter 1. The Bird of Happiness. A Tale from Russia. A long time ago, a little boy called Igor lived with his mother and father in a small house which was made of wood. Igor's family was very poor. His father was a woodcutter, and his mother made clothes for rich people in the city. Their house was in the middle of a large forest in the north of Russia. In summer, the days were long, and the forest was alive with the sounds of birds singing to each other. Igor's father taught him the names of the different birds, and the boy soon knew all their songs. But in winter, the days were very short, and there was deep snow everywhere. The forest became quiet because the birds left to spend the winter months in warmer countries. One winter, Igor became ill. His mother made special food and drink for him, but he only got worse. The doctor from the city came to see Igor and spent some time talking with the boy and looking at him. Then he spoke to Igor's mother and father.
He's very ill, but I don't know what's wrong with him. This winter, many young children all over the country are becoming ill and dying, and nobody knows why. I'm sorry, but there's nothing that I can do to help. Give him lots of good things to eat and make sure that he gets lots of sleep.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?